So S2 comprises of A2 and P2. Then there will be a physiological split naturally that is present in our heart. So at inspiration the A to P2 gap is 40 to 50 milliseconds, and whereas your at the inspiration there is the A to P2 gap is 30 milliseconds. Normal ears could detect up to a change of 20 milliseconds. So both A to P2 physiological split can be heard up by some ears. And physiological spirit normally it is relieved on standing. On sitting position, if somebody having the A to P2 gap, then if you make the patient to stand, then the A to P2 gap is somewhat decreased, and your pathological split will not relieve by standing. This is important. Your pathological split will not be relieved on standing. You should understand this. When do we call one as loud A2? Whereas the intensity at the base of the heart is equal to that of the mitral area, then that is called as your loud A2. Whereas when do we call one as loud P2? Normally at pulmonary area you would have A2s having higher intensity. Aortic area also you will have the A2 as the higher intensity. But 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 when do we call as load P2? Whenever the intensity is more P2 is more intensity than that of A2, then that is called as your loud S2. In pulmonary area, when you expect a second heart sound that is more vigorous, then that will be your loud P2, that you should understand. Then talking about your A2, P2 conditions. Your A2 when will be loud? The A2 will be loud in the hyperdynamic conditions in your systemic hypertension. As same that in your loud P2, where will you understand it will be present in your hyperkinetic and pulmonary hypertension. Similar comparison, right? Yes. When do we expect a loud A2? In some conditions like aortic aneurysm, aortic root dilatation. When do we expect the same in loud P2? Yes, your pulmonary dilatation and pulmonary artery aneurysm. Conditions are similar, right? Yes. And as I said, loud P2 is expected in thin chest wall. Loud A2 is also expected to have in thin chest wall. And in opposite, thick chest wall will have soft A2, soft P2. Obese patient will have soft A2, soft P2. And emphysema patient will have soft A2, soft P2, then generally soft S2. Here comes the important things after that. In pulmonary atresia, there will be loud A2. Why does this happen? Basically, the pulmonary valve is not closing very properly. There is no pulmonary valve itself. So, without any resistance, the valve moves up, the blood moves up in the pulmonary circulation. There is a pulmonary hypertension, so that the pulmonary hypertension, the pulmonary atresia, their pulmonary valve is not at all very much good. So in the pulmonary atresia, there will be more dominance of the aortic valve component only. So there is loud A2. But in P2, as you expect in the conditions of left to right shunt, in left to right shunt there is more amount of blood in the right ventricle only. When there is more amount of blood in the right chamber, that will promote right valve to close shutter very faster, because the pressure in the right ventricle is increasing. Whenever the pressure in the one chamber is increasing, the sound produced by it will be also increasing. That is the condition here. And in PS the sound is soft P2. Why does this happen? In PS soft P2 is happening. Just think, why does this happen? Yes, in pulmonary stenosis, the valve does not open very much properly. So what happens on chronic course? This this PS, which is your with such a chamber PS, if the volume is overloaded, then the ventricular chamber, right ventricular chamber will be hypertrophied. So the blood pumped to the pulmonary chamber is relatively lesser at a due course of time compared to the top of your compared to the top of your left ventricle. So this happens here in the pulmonary stenosis. Then single S2. When does we will get the single S2? In severe AS and severe PS, where you would not expect a sound to be produced in the AS and PS because it is severely calcified. No, on that conditions you would expect. Split S2 and paradoxical split will be discussed later in a separate video. Thank you.